Hello everyone. So today we have a new topic in SST, that is human resources. You all know that human resource is the greatest of all resources, as only the human beings have the capability to utilize all other resources. Nowadays, a large population is not an asset of a country, but the people who are trained, skilled and creative are an asset to a country. They know how to use natural resources to create good standard of living for themselves and for fellow human beings. But there is one more factor, that the entire population of the world is not evenly distributed. It is unevenly sprinkled over different parts of the world. There are certain places where a large number of people live, and there are some other places where very less people live. The density of population is the relationship between the total population and the total area in square kilometer. Asia has a high density of population. On the basis of density of population, there are three markedly different areas of population: areas of high density, moderate density, and low density. China, Japan, the two Koreas, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh are considered areas with the high density of population. There are four factors which influence the distribution of population: relief, fertility of soil, climate, and the availability of resources. The growth rate of population is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of the country. The developed countries have low birth rate and the death rate. The developing nations in Asia, Africa and South America have high birth rate and low death rate, due to which the population rises and the opportunities become less for the people. Do you know that how the population is distributed in India? You must know that every sixth person living on earth is an Indian. The total population added every year in India is equal to the population of Australia. In terms of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world, while population wise it is the second only to China. Nearly half of the population lives in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and West Bengal. There are factors by which the growth rate of population and its distributions are influenced, and they are urbanization, migration, government policies, and gender composition. Due to increase in the population every year, many people were illiterate and they don't get enough opportunities to grow as a human being. As you know, population growth and economic development are intimately related. All those countries which are still developing have a high growth rate. High growth rate has its impact on food supplies. Many African countries are suffering because of shortage of food. It is due to the deficiency of food that people in some parts of Africa are malnourished. Moreover, a high growth rate of population creates a scarcity of residential houses. As a result, poor people are forced to live in such situations which are unfavorable to them. Inadequate facilities of education and health services, lack of employment, etc., lead to an increase in many social crimes too. Increase in population creates a heavy demand on natural resources like forest, which begin to deplete very fast. Water supply also becomes a problem due to high growth rate of population. Therefore, it is essential to keep population increase under check. Asian countries like Japan, Korea, and to a larger extent China are able to enhance economic development by exercising check on their population by making some stringent laws. However, in India, family planning programs have not been commensurate with the high rate of population increase. We must understand that it is retarding our economic development. Hence, the policies of the government should be formulated in such a way so as to achieve a high level of economic development with the stability in population. So, that's all for today. I hope that the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you, students.